Join me as I put olive oil to the test overnight to see if it really works magic on my skin. Olive oil has been touted as a miracle worker for centuries, with ancient civilizations using it for everything from cooking to cosmetics. And in recent years, it's become a staple in many wellness routines, with many swearing by its ability to transform their skin overnight. But does it really live up to the hype? That's what we're going to explore in today's video. We've all been there, waking up with puffy, dull-looking skin, dark circles under our eyes, and a general feeling of exhaustion. And while there are many products on the market promising to fix these issues, more and more people are turning to natural remedies like olive oil. But what drives people to seek out these alternatives? For one, many of us are aware of the harsh chemicals found in commercial skincare products, which can do more harm than good in the long run. Then there's the issue of sleep quality, with millions of people struggling to get a good night's rest. And let's not forget about the constant stress and anxiety that comes with modern life, which can take a toll on our overall health and well-being. When it comes to skincare, olive oil is often touted as a holy grail ingredient, with its rich antioxidant properties and ability to deeply moisturize the skin. But it's not just about slapping on some olive oil before bed and hoping for the best. There are specific ways to use it to maximize its benefits. For example, using a gentle olive oil cleanser can help remove dirt and impurities without stripping the skin of its natural oils. You can also mix a few drops of olive oil with other natural ingredients like honey or avocado to create a nourishing face mask. And of course, there's the old school trick of applying olive oil to your skin before bed, letting it work its magic while you sleep. But olive oil's benefits don't stop at skincare. It's also a healthy addition to your nighttime routine, whether you're using it as a finishing oil for your dinner or taking it as a supplement. And when it comes to sleep quality, olive oil has been shown to promote relaxation and reduce stress levels. Some people even use it as a natural remedy for insomnia, applying it to their skin or taking it internally to promote a restful night's sleep. So what's the science behind olive oil's magical properties? Well, for one, it's rich in antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols, which help combat free radicals and protect the skin from environmental stressors. It's also got anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation and promote healing. And let's not forget about the omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for skin health and hydration. I've scoured the internet for the most compelling evidence and testimonials about the effectiveness of olive oil, and let me tell you, the results are impressive. From dermatologists and skincare experts to everyday people who've seen real results, there's no shortage of people singing olive oil's praises. And while there are some studies that show mixed results, the overwhelming consensus is that olive oil can be a game changer when it comes to skin and health. So there you have it, the lowdown on olive oil's magic when it comes to nighttime routines. Whether you're looking to transform your skin, improve your sleep quality, or just add a healthy dose of wellness to your daily routine, olive oil is definitely worth considering. It's natural, it's effective, and it's easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Thanks for watching, and if you've had any experiences with olive oil, be sure to share them with me in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more wellness tips and tricks.